Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make drinks on tap Roblox. Open Roblox Studio, load your place, and create a part to act as the tap with a click detector. Add a server script to handle pour logic and a remote event for client feedback. Define drink types and connect UI updates to the pour event. Test in play mode to ensure the tap pours the correct drink and resets between uses for smooth gameplay. To build reliable pour logic, handle core actions on the server while letting the client request pours. Track each pour duration and use a debounce to block repeated rapid clicks. Spawn temporary drink objects or particles to simulate liquid and link sound to pour events. Update the player's UI and inventory after validation. Test under multiplayer conditions to confirm synchronization and fair usage for all players. Create unique drink templates including color, pour time, and effects so each option feels distinct. Build a simple UI that lets players choose a recipe before using the tap and preview the result visually. Unlock new recipes through achievements or currency, and save progress with data store. Keep balance by tuning pour times and ingredient rarity, and always test combinations to ensure no recipe breaks the pour system or player experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.